Do you think hiring managers read every single resume that lands on their desk? Absolutely not. So how can you ensure that yours will be in the review pile instead of the trash pile? The answer lies on the top third of your resume. Why is this real estate so valuable? By the end of this video, you'll know the answer. Let's dive in. The top third of your resume is like the first impression in a job interview. It sets the tone for everything that follows. Recruiters and hiring managers often have stacks of resumes to go through, sometimes hundreds or even thousands. So grabbing their attention and showcasing your skill, will, and fit for the role early on is crucial. What's in the top third? Your name, target job title, contact details, and LinkedIn URL, followed by your resume summary, key skills box, and finally your most recent job. All of this is incredible valuable information that, if communicated correctly, will capture their attention and, even more importantly, encourage them to read on. Let's start with the first section, your name, target job title, contact details, and LinkedIn URL. This section is your resume's address. It tells the recruiter who you are and how to reach you. If your contact info isn't clear, they're not going to invest time figuring it out. Sorry, because at this stage you're just words on paper. There's no engagement or interest yet, so your resume will be put aside. Do use a readable font and make your contact details easily accessible. Don't make them guess. Include a target job title so they can see you read the job ad and that your resume is relevant. Don't include unnecessary personal information like your full street address, multiple phone numbers, or an unprofessional email address. Also include your LinkedIn URL so they can easily access your profile without searching for it or wondering which one is yours. Before sending out your application, make sure your profile is polished and up to date. Similar to your resume, it's your business card in the professional world and will leave a lasting impression. Now onto the next bit, your resume summary statement. This is your elevator pitch, a concise overview of your skills and experience tailored to what the company is looking for. Here you can highlight key achievements and abilities relevant to the position and your experience. Don't write a generic or overly long summary. Keep it focused on what makes you stand out and why you're the perfect fit for the position you're applying for. Upon finishing your summary, the recruiter should be thinking, "This candidate seems like the perfect fit for the role and I'm excited to learn more." Here's an example of a summary of a sales representative. I'm an internationally experienced sales representative with 20 years of expertise selling technical and SaaS solutions to B2B customers, primarily in e-commerce and healthcare settings. I excel at building long-term customer relationships, upselling and cross-selling, and exceeding all sales targets. Sales Representative of the Year 3 times consecutively. As you can see, this sales professional has introduced himself as well as his expertise and experience in just a few sentences, giving you a comprehensive overview who he is professionally. Underneath your summary comes your key skills box. Think of this as the trailer of your skills movie. Grab their attention with the most relevant hard skills for the job: leadership, business development, customer retention, or customer relationship management, to name a few. Do prioritize skills relevant to the job description. Focus on hard skills, as these are the keywords recruiters and ATS look for, but there's no harm in including 2 to 3 crucial soft skills as well. On the other hand, don't list every single skill you possess. Focus on what's most important to showcase your fit for the role. Remove anything irrelevant. Last but not least, your career history. Your most recent job will be in the top third of your resume. This is your resume's feature film. It should leave the audience, recruiters, wanting more by seeing that not only do the first 3 sections demonstrate your fit, but your most recent work does too. Do focus on achievements and quantify your impact. Show how you added value in your previous role and explain how your past work prepares you to tackle the challenges in the job you're applying for. Grab their attention by impressing them. Don't simply list job duties. That's boring. Use action verbs and showcase your accomplishments. And that's why the top third of your resume, your contact section, your summary, your key skills, and your most recent job is your golden ticket to an interview. Make it count. Highlight your strength and convince those recruiters that you are the one for the job. If you'd like feedback on how impactful your resume is, I invite you to take advantage of our free resume review. Our team of career experts will go through your resume and send you detailed feedback within 48 hours. No catch, no cost, and totally confidential. you'll find the upload link in the description. To learn more secrets on crafting an impressive resume, you should not miss my video on how to tailor it to the job you're applying for. Don't miss out! Let's turn your goals into achievements together.